Okay, guys, I'm going to share with you guys how I made this fufu with beetroot and oat. This is another healthy version for fufu recipe. So watch to the end and also help me to share. As you can see, I have here beetroot. I'm going to peel off the skin, wash it neatly, put it in my blender, go in with my oats and blend. So if you want to use just beetroot, you can add more beetroot and then go in with a little bit of oat. It's going to come out perfectly well. As you can see, I made use of 2 beetroots and then 1 cup of oat. So you can add more beetroot and then use half cup of oat so that it will be more of beetroot than oat. And then next, I am going to blend it very, very smooth. Make sure you blend it very, very smooth, okay? And then transfer it into your pot like this. Then begin the process. Remember, on a low heat, stir it until it forms fufu. This is really healthy. If you're trying to eat healthy, honestly, try this recipe. You are going to love it. If you no longer eat our regular fufu, try this fufu. You are going to love it. You guys know I don't bring yeah recipe for you. So as you can see, it's turning into fufu. Gradually, I continue to stir it on a low heat until I get the texture I want. So next, I added water on it so that it can cook a little bit. So I go in with water and then I continue to stir it, allow it to cook until it is ready. Honestly, this is really simple to make. Beetroot has a whole lot of health benefits that will benefit your body. Like, oh my goodness, go and Google it out, okay? So as you can see, the fufu is ready. Next, I am just going to go in with a little bit of oil on it just to make it more smooth. This is another secret. Whenever you're doing your oat fufu, just add a little bit of oil, or maybe you are doing plantain fufu, add a little bit of oil like this. It's going to make it smooth. Just take a look at this, guys. Does this right here look like what you are going to try? Drop your comments in the comment section. Trust me, you are going to love this. And if you find this video helpful, please do well to help me to share it. Take a look at this. It really came out nice. I'm just going to use my plastic foil to wrap it around, which is totally optional. You can just start eating your fufu like that. But me, I go like to make my own, make it day round. So I will just wrap it, keep it aside, allow it to cool down a little bit. And then that is it. My beetroot fufu is ready. Take a look at this, guys. Does it look like something you would love to try? Drop your comments in the comment section. I have one leftover soup wey no get meat, so I wan use enjoy this food. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Please help me to share. Bye.